So welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss about Bcom. So we'll be looking at a broad general way of Bcom. So first we'll start with what is this degree. So this degree is called as Bachelor of Commerce. So its focus is it's an undergraduate degree program and it focuses on commerce, accounting, economics kind of subjects. So the major would be like accounting subject alone. But it's recognized in almost all countries as an undergraduate degree. It's useful for basic clerical level jobs. Okay, so clerical level jobs can include jobs like a banking clerk, okay, or a sales level job, okay, or a marketing level job like that. So it's a basic qualification you need to have for an entry into an organization. So what is the entry qualification to get into Bcom? So see, the entry qualification for Bcom is definitely it's going to be your 12th standard pass, okay, but it depends upon which college or university you want. The rules and regulations of the college and university keeps changing from each and everything. So here if you take entry qualification, in some colleges universities they make that mathematics is compulsory. In some colleges universities they make mathematics optional. So you have to refer to the particular college prospectus or website whether maths is optional or compulsory in that particular college, okay, or university. So that's about the entry qualification here. So let's see the total number of subjects. The total number of subjects is there are 6 semesters in Bcom, which is of a 3-year course, and approximately you will be like having 5 papers. So again it depends upon the college only. So approximately you will have totally 30 subjects which you have to study for Bcom exam. So minimum you need 3 years. This is a 3-year course, so minimum it will take 3 years for you to complete. The average pass percentage, okay, how many people pass this course? See, there's usually no number which is like given like this. So it depends upon each university and college, but typically if you're an averagely studying student, for example, if you get some 60 marks in your 12th, I think that is more than sufficient to easily clear Bcom exam. Okay, that it means that you are like really good. Okay, so you can easily clear Bcom exams. So approximately 70 to 80% of people who join Bcom, they very easily clear. Okay, so if you are really poor in studies, then only it's difficult to clear Bcom. So the total fees also ranges from college to college and university university. Government universities will charge you around some 10,000 for the entire course. Okay, 10,000 for an entire course. But if you go to private colleges, okay, they will charge anywhere between 30,000 to 1 lakh per year, right? So again, this fees depends upon the college or university which you want to join. So this course does not have any kind of practical experience. So you don't need any work experience to join this course as well as to get the degree certificate. So that's about here. Anything about the course that we have to mention is, see, ultimately you have to visit each and every website of a college and the prospectus you have to buy to know the exact details of Bcom course. Okay, but this is a broad idea about Bcom course here. So these are the subjects which you can typically expect in a Bcom. Some colleges, universities have regional language as a compulsory subject. So in Tamil Nadu, we have Tamil as a compulsory subject that you have to study. Apart from that, these are also like compulsory subjects, which is like English, financial accounting, corporate accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. That means Bcom usually has these accounting papers, right? And there are some allied papers like business mathematics, statistics, income tax, indirect tax, auditing, management, economics, and business law and company law. So these are like typical subjects you can find in most Bcoms across India. You will find it. Okay, so let's go for the specialization. So there are like tons of specializations which are available in Bcom. Again, you have to visit the college's website, university website, and you have to buy the prospectus to find out what specialization that particular college or university is offering. Okay, so the famous ones in Tamil Nadu is like Bcom General and Bcom Honors. And it depends upon to state. Okay, state to state. For example, in Delhi, Bcom Honors is like very famous. Bcom General comes as second. In Tamil Nadu, it's like Bcom General comes as a first preference. Bcom Honors is like relatively new in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so state-wise, which is important changes. Okay, so we have made another video as to which specialization you have to choose. You can watch that video to get a better idea about Bcom specializations. So let's see what's the difference between Bcom and Bcom Honors. Okay, see, this again changes from state to state in India. The passing mark for Bcom is just can be like 40. In Bcom Honors, it is 50. There's no requirement for any internship, articleship, or work experience. But in Bcom Honors, you have to go for an internship at least for 6 months. So there can be a project also in Bcom Honors. The number of subjects per semester will be 5 in typical Bcom, but it can also be 6 in Bcom Honors. Okay, that means 6 into 6, 36 subjects you have to study in Bcom Honors. In Bcom, it would be 5. So you have to again check the university and college website and prospectus for more information. So what are the jobs you are going to get after doing this Bcom, right? So the jobs you will typically get is an entry-level job, okay, in a company. It's a basic first-level job that you will be getting. So it can be an accountant job, financial analyst, business analyst, tax analyst, auditor, HR executive, sales executive. You can also apply for a variety of government jobs and as well as business writing. Okay, so business writing is like blog writing or writing for a newspaper, magazine, like that. So usually you will get entry-level jobs for Bcom, but still from there on you can, depending upon your skill set, your mindset, okay, and your talent, you can rise up in your life. Okay, so Bcom is an entry-level qualification. So that's about it. As an advice, if you want to know whether it's going to be a distance Bcom or a full-time Bcom you want to study, the advice is like you have to do a full-time Bcom, right? So full-time Bcom is like still has a high respect in India. So distance Bcom or a part-time Bcom is not that great in India still. Okay, so go for a full-time Bcom course. So you guys can reach me at my website. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I am very active on LinkedIn, and you can also reach me at Twitter. So if you guys really like the video, put a like for us and share it with your friends who might find it useful. So if you guys have any queries or questions, post it in the comment section. We'll be like happy to answer them. If you guys have any other ideas for further videos, you can put it in the comment section. We'll be like creating a new video on that topic also. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.